all of a sudden it started to crackle and some smoke started coming out of it, so I quickly pulled it. Hey guys, beautiful 4th morning of January 2018. So glad to be back with you guys. I grabbed my axe and I was coming out here to check the thickness of the ice this morning. This is the first year of me living here that our pond has frozen over. So I just wanted to show you how that is. See if we can get a couple drone shots of the icicles. And it's gonna be a short video, but so excited to be back. Let's do it. Well guys, it's about 3 inches thick. Not super thick, took me only a couple chops as you saw there, but that's a lot of ice for this. Especially that this is the first time it's ever frozen since I've been here. Well guys, that's pretty insane. I was just flying up and over the falls there, and my drone, something happened, and all of a sudden went in the water, started bashing down the falls. I was afraid it was going to fall in the pool at the bottom, but I stopped in the middle of the falls, so I ran over and got it quickly. I had to slide across the ice, and the ice started cracking and run down around. Anyway, I just took the battery out because I shook it out and it was sitting here, and all of a sudden it started to crackle and some smoke started coming out of it, so I quickly pulled it. So hopefully that's not the end of this drone, because, well, it was a pretty penny. And hopefully the footage at least saved, because, you know, it'd be pretty crazy. Anyway, go throw this in a bag of rice and blow it out with the hairdryer or something, and see if we have any luck. Because when I pulled out of the creek, it was still running. It's like everything was on, but anyway, I'll let you guys know. It's been a few days. I threw my Mavic in a bag of rice, and the battery in a bag of rice, and it's done for. So that's a bit of a bummer. Anyway, let's see what we can do. I'll see if there was by chance some sort of warranty or something, but if not, life keep on going. So until next time, keep rolling with the random.